Hello viewers, today we are going to talk about the destiny, energy and the amazing opportunities waiting for people born under Pisces between April 1st and April 5th, 2026. These are not going to be ordinary days. In fact, this period could bring movement that reshape your thinking, influence your decision and open a brand new path for your future. The movement of star during this time suggests that the hidden talent and strength within you are the best to awaken. Many Pisces individuals have been carrying dreams, plans, and deep desires in their hearts for quite some time. And now is the moment may finally arrive when those dreams start turning to reality. If you have been feeling tired, confused, and a little discouraged lately, those could may bring to clear. You may start to feel as if destiny itself is slowly guiding you toward a brighter and more hopeful path. But remember, something important, that star can show the direction, yet the courage to walk that path must come from you. From April 1st to April 3rd, the day could be particularly significant when it's come to your career and financial matter. Many Pisces individuals may suddenly come across an opportunity they never even unexpected. It could be a new responsibility, a fresh professional path, or even the arrival of a person who plays an important role in improving your career. If you are working a job, your hard work might finally be recognized and you may hear appreciation or encouraging word about your performance. For those running a business, this day can also bring hopeful development. A plan that once seemed forgotten may come back to life, or a new door might open that increases your income. However, there is one thing you must always remember: avoid making a rushed decision. If a new opportunity appears, take time to analyze it carefully, seek advice if needed, and move forward with patience and wisdom. The right decision during this time could lead you toward long-term success. Now let's talk about love, relationship and emotional life. The days of April 4th and April 5th may carry meaningful energy in this area. If you are already in a relationship, there is a strong chance that an important conversation could take place between you and your partner. This discussion might bring clarity, remove misunderstanding, and strengthen your bond in a powerful way. Some Pisces individuals who have experienced emotional distance or confusion in their relationship may finally find peace and understanding again. This is a time for heartfelt communication and emotional honesty. If you are currently single, the star hint that a special person could enter your life. This meeting might happen unexpectedly, possible through a friend, through work, or through a social connection. Still, remember that every new relationship needs time to grow. Instead of rushing into emotional decision, allowing yourself the space to truly understand the person during so can help build a relationship that brings long-term happiness and emotional stability. When it's come to family matters and personal life, this day can also carry meaningful development. Some Pisces individuals might receive news from the family member that fills their heart with joy. There could be a celebration, an achievement, or a fresh beginning within the family environment. If there have been disagreement or tension with someone at home recently, this may be the perfect time to soften your heart and open the doors for conversation. Pisces individuals naturally carry deep compassion, empathy, and emotional intelligence, and during this period, those qualities could become your greatest strength. When you create peace and kindness of others, the universe often responds by making your own path smoother. Try to keep patience, positivity, and understanding in your attitude. Become these qualities can attract peace and blessings into your life. Overall, the period of April 1st to April 5th, 2026 carries a message of hope, transformation, and new possibilities of Pisces. This day may remind you that when a person believes in their inner voice and continues to move forward with detection and effort, destiny often walks beside them. Never underestimate your dreams, because sometimes a single decision can open the doors to the biggest achievement of your life. Building confidence within yourself, maintain a positive mindset, and treat every new day as a fresh opportunity. It is very possible that this short period makes the beginning of a new chapter in your life. One that you may look back on in the future with pride, gratitude, and happiness. Viewers, if you find this prediction or prices interesting, informative, and fueling touching, make sure you hit the like button right now. Your like help us understand that you enjoy this meaningful and powerful astrology video, and it's motivate us to keep bringing more content like this. Also, don't forget to write in the comment and tell us which zodiac sign you belong to and whether this prediction connect with what's happening in your life or not. Your opinion is extremely valuable to us, and we always take the time to read your comment. And if you want your friend, family member, and other who are curious about their zodiac sign to benefit from this fascinating prediction, then share this as much as possible so this message can reach more people. For more interesting and surprising astrological prediction, make sure to subscribe to our channel Astro Planning Podcast. I'm your guide, and I'll see you again in the next video with a brand new prediction.